Guy's Cancer to me means the very best in cancer care, delivered by world-leading clinical teams, allied to cutting-edge research, and all delivered in an uplifting environment that's been designed by patients for patients.
To have been listened to, and this is the result, you know, I just find it overwhelming, actually.
To be part of the making of it, you know, and creating of it, that is impressive.
Everything we do and all the decisions we've made about the way the Cancer Centre runs has been made with the patients in mind to make this as stress-free journey as possible.
When I come into this building, I get an amazing feeling that it's bright and light, it's welcoming. So sometimes when people are not at their very best and they come in here, they're going to be lifted.
There's such an exciting variety of art in the Cancer Centre right from the moment that you walk into the building. And for patients, it can improve recovery, it can reduce stress, it can even help you find your way around the building.
So we've done away with floor numbers and instead we have villages. So if you're coming for chemotherapy, you're going to the chemotherapy village. If you're going for radiotherapy, you go to the radiotherapy village. We make it as simple as possible so there's no anxiety around finding the right department.
We have 6 brand new radiotherapy machines in the Cancer Centre. They allow us to give more accurate treatment, so fewer healthy cells are damaged. And in some cases they allow us to give stronger doses, so our treatments are faster and safer. The whole environment is much better for our patients.
Patients told us that going to the basement for their radiotherapy treatment wasn't ideal. We're the first centre in Europe to have radiotherapy above ground level in response to what they told us.
I think the Cancer Centre is a really super environment for a patient. In the Cancer Centre we'll have state-of-the-art imaging, which means that we can really fulfil that aspiration of a world-class service.
We're now seeing over 6,500 patients every year, and that number will continue to grow. We need to be able to offer them the highest quality of cancer treatment. In order to deliver world-class cancer treatment, you need to have a combination of high-quality clinical care, a great patient experience, but also high-quality scientific research which underpins new treatments.
What really excites me about the centre is that bringing together our research along with our clinical treatment. And that brings together a whole series of different skills, the doctors, nurses, scientists, together in one place. It just makes our research more efficient and means that we can deliver new treatments in the clinic much more effectively.
Having research and clinical trials in the same building as treatment makes a real difference. It improves the patient experience. We're just upstairs. If they need us, we can pop down and answer any questions they might have. From a first consultation with the doctor, or if they just nip in to ask us something, we're always on hand for them.
It's not just about medical treatment. Patients with cancer need lots of other support too. At the Cancer Centre we have a rehabilitation gym for patients in the recovery phase. We have a shop-style fitting room for patients to get expert advice on wigs and headscarves. We also have Dimbleby Cancer Care, who provide a fantastic service to patients.
When I lost all my hair, I didn't have any hair and I wasn't feeling particularly wonderful about myself. I was able to go on a feel-good makeup makeover, and they showed you how to reinvent myself actually, so yeah, it was really, really good.
Dimbleby Cancer Care offers a range of services, including benefits, advice and support, talking therapies for individuals, families, couples, as well as group therapy programs. We also offer complementary therapy, and we also have an information support service that's led by a team of specialist nurses.
We're looking at the whole patient journey. We're looking at diagnosis and making sure we get that done quickly and accurately. We're looking at offering the best treatments possible, but recognising that patients have needs that go beyond just their cancer diagnosis and supporting them all the way through their treatments and beyond.
Working in the Cancer Centre is great because it just brings everybody together. It's such a nice environment to work in. It's so light and bright and airy, and it's a much nicer place for the patients to be, nicer place for the staff to work, so it's great.
People treat you with respect, they treat you like you're normal, because sometimes you go through one of the worst things here, but people treat you with dignity. People will make you feel good, and that's quite infectious really at the end of the day, and it rubs off. So to come here and have your treatment is just really amazing.